Hey everyone, it's JA again here today, and we're going to be doing another unboxing. So, today we're going to be unboxing quite a lot of DVDs. I have 5 DVDs. So we're going to start. The first DVD I got is Looney Tunes Back in Action, the movie. Yeah, when I saw this, I was shopping today, I saw this. So yeah, here's the front. Here's the spine. In the back. There's no quick review or anything, but that's okay. Pause this if you want to read it. Very cool. Here's the disc. It's cool. Next up we have Family Guy Season 1. Here's the front. Here's the spine. Character profile of Brian. In the back. Disc 1 with Stewie. Disc 1 with Stewie. And disc 2 with Brian. That's cool. Next up we have is Family Guy Season 2. Here's the front. Here's the spine. Got a character profile of Peter and forget what he was called. I think I might remember, I don't know, but in the back. Take the Simpsons, don't want a healthy dose of South Park. So here's the back. And this is it comes with slip cases this time. So we're gonna be, look at this. So we have, here's disc 1, front, spine, and another character profile of Peter in the back. I like Family Guy because, you know, Family Guy is a pretty good show. And I did buy these things used since it was at a shop where you buy things used. So let me put this. So this contains seasons, no, eight episodes 1 to 8 of season 2. Here we have, so it's the episodes 1 to 8. Here's disc 2, season 2, episodes 9 to 15. Front, spine, character profile of Megan, I think her name is, I'm not sure. In the back. Here we have an insert for something, family something's dark side guy. We have this. We have. Oh no, that's an old insert. That looks like an old insert. Anyways, here's the disc with. Don't remember this character's name, but whatever. See the. I'm just saying the condition of discs. Well. Sorry about that, guys. Yeah, not too bad. Anyways, that's now. Let me just put these back in the slipcover. Right, this. Put this back in the slipcover. That was Family Guy Season 2. Now we're moving on to the third box set we have, which is Family Guy Season 3. Here's the front. Spine. Character profile of Louise and Megan, I think her name is. Again, if I'm wrong, let me know. Here in the back, a series that truly redefines adult animated comedy, says DVD Monthly. Yeah, we have all info about it. Okay, so let's take a look at the slip cases. Here's Disc 1. Season 3. It says episodes 1 to 7. Front. Spine. And a character profile of Stewie. In the back. And we have another and we have an episode guide of the season, and that's cool. Okay, not too bad. Here's disc 2, front, spine, and a character profile of Louise in the back. Wait, did I already show you this? Wait, did I show you? Hold on. Wait, I already showed you this. Wait. Oh, I'm so sorry, guys. I meant this one. Sorry. Here's disc 3, front, spine, back. Here's the disc. Hold on. Yeah, it's decent looking. And finally, the final one we have is The Simpsons. Now, this is the complete 3rd season. This is the only one in the store we had, so I just decided to pick it up. So here's the front, the spine, character profile of Homer and Marge. Here's the other side, and we have Maggie and Bart. Top, in the back. So like, this is what it looks like. And it's rated parental guidance. Yeah. So let's take a look at. Let's take a look at this. Here's what this looks like. Front, there's no spine is the same thing. In the back with Santa's little helper and the cat. So let's just take a look at the desk. Here's a note from. Pardon me if I sound a little emotional. Here's what this is from Matt Groening. So let's take a look at all the discs here. What's this? Hold on, there's something wrong. That's probably just nothing. But here's disc 1, Bart. Disc 2, Marge. Disc 3, Lisa and Maggie. And disc 4, Homer. Wait, there's something here. Oh, there's an insert. Oh, hold on. Let's take a look at these inserts. Hold on, guys. Cool, we have episode guide. These are the episode guides. Sorry, guys, if I'm being too taking this too long. I'm just looking at the inserts. So here's a few what the inserts look like. The insert looks like it's just things, and we have this, which is I guess is an episode guide. Yeah, whatever. But at least I have cool things here. So that was my unboxing of Family Guy. That was my unboxing of Looney Tunes Back in Action. Family Guy seasons 1 to 3. Seasons 1 to 3. And The Simpsons 3rd season. Sorry if I'm like being a bit too quiet. It's just because you know, I'm concentrating on getting this like video done. So sorry if I'm like going too slow or fast. So yeah, sorry about that, guys. But anyways, that's this for this video. See you guys later.